In this video, we're going to go over the update document from File Action Builder. Under Document, click Action Builders and select the update document from File. We're going to select the type of a document object we want to use. And we'll set the type of criteria we want to use. Document name equals, we could use a parameter if we want, and we could set that later in the script. We'll click enter, and since we're using a parameter, we'll select the parameter, and it will be a string value since it's a name, and we're going to get the value for that from the myDoco name parameter variable, or we could select an existing variable name. We need to set this variable though before we get to that part of the script. Click plus and we'll go next. And any properties that we want to set besides the document itself, like the document name, we can set that too by adding that property, and this will be the variable that will be used to set that property. Click next. And the file path to the document that we will bring in and save to our database. Open file path. We could select a different variable or type in a different variable name. And we click new. Our variables are created here. We're going to get a new document item. We're going to load it from that open file path. If you want to hard code that file path, you can just click the plus and select a different document. And then we get the document content, and then we start setting up the record find by adding a text criteria parameter. That's your document name that's going to be searched on. In this instance, our document name is going to be stored in myDoco name parameter. So what we want to do is we want to myDoco. We want to set that variable before we get to this stage. myDoco name. Doco name parameter. Okay, we set that. And then we find the record, and then we update that record, the document name property, which will be the variable document name value. So we want to set that variable. So the document name will be set to myDocument name, whatever you type in there. And then we set the actual document, we read the document, and we set it to the record, and then we save all changes.